Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Jeanette Oak. If you're new here, I go by @InMySeams on TikTok and Instagram and here on YouTube. I primarily make fashion hack videos, bra hacks, style hacks, all the things. It's been a minute since I've been back on YouTube, but it's definitely one of my 2022 goals. So I'm going to kick off today's video with how to bring color into your spring wardrobe. So if you haven't been following me for a long time, I used to be this really neutral aesthetic girl. You know, I was very like beige tones and I would never really wear like any kind of color. And then there was this one particular video that I did in the beginning of quarantine actually. And I feel like for a lot of people, quarantine was like a time that we explored kind of a different version of ourselves, or we tapped into areas of our lives that maybe were always there, but really kind of butterflied and kind of came out. I know that's true for me and a lot of my friends. But this video I did was about color and how color really affects our mood and how wearing color really allows us to show our personality and show what's inside outside. And ever since that video, I have been a huge fan of color, wearing color in our wardrobe, really promoting people wearing color that suits them and really speaks to their personality and makes them feel good and feel happy and confident about themselves. And so when we're talking about spring trends, there's hundreds of spring trends videos on YouTube, so you can definitely watch those. But I primarily want to talk about how you can add color seamlessly and easily into your spring wardrobe or your workplace or your everyday outfits, because I find that sometimes it can be intimidating. My biggest tip for implementing color into your wardrobe is sticking with silhouettes that you're used to. So take a look at what you normally wear, whether that's jeans, blazers, maybe you feel good with a t-shirt dress or a wrap dress or, trousers, sneakers, look at those things in your wardrobe that you're pretty comfortable in. For me, those things would be, I love a jeans and a t-shirt look. I love blazers. I love suits, actually. I love wearing suits. And when I was transitioning from being kind of a neutral girl to a really colorful queen, I would really kind of start with the basic pieces and silhouettes that I wore. So I would wear jeans and a t-shirt, and then I would throw on a really colorful cardigan or jacket or sweater or outer piece. And I found that normally when I was shopping for bags or shoes or outerwear, I kept buying black or white or brown or tan or beige. And it started to really kind of dull my wardrobe out. I found that if I bought my shoes in a bright colorway like this, or my heels were in yellow, I have so many black bags, like it's not even funny. And there was a moment where it clicked, where I was like, actually, I need a red bag. Actually, I need a green bag. Actually, I need a yellow bag. So when I started buying clothes in other colors and especially my accessories, the vibe immediately changed. My jackets, my shoes, my nails, my all of these, like all of my little accessories, the moment that they changed, it literally transformed the look. And I feel like that's a big thing that not a lot of people talk about, because everyone's like, well, if you want to wear like colorful outfits, you need neutral accessories. I disagree with that 100%. I feel like in order to wear a colorful outfit, you need colorful accessories. It just really allows you to have fun and express your personality. There will always be a good black boot. There will always be a good black bag somewhere on the market. But if you really see something that excites you, that brings a smile on your face, that maybe is something different, don't be afraid to pick up that item and purchase it. I feel like I want to empower people to make choices and make shopping choices, especially that make them happy. So I want to actually pause here and take a moment to shout out our sponsor for today's video, which is Walmart. I have done previous videos on like Walmart fashion before, and I've really loved to shop at Walmart because it seems like, with the day and age that we live in, it is so easy to get caught up in trends and get caught up in all that, but it starts to cost a lot of money. And I've always been I've always been the kind of gal that shops for dupes, goes to Walmart and like, you know, for men's jeans and things like that. But it's really nice to actually see that Walmart is elevating their fashion items and their choices as well. Normally when I'm traveling, I wouldn't really pick a bright yellow outfit like this. But then the moment that I put it on with a color blocking sneaker, and even if I wanted to do the night outfit with the monochromatic yellow, it instantly transformed just the look of me. Like, I've seen myself a million times in a black or all white outfit or blue jeans and a white t-shirt, but it instantly just like brightened up my look. I feel like I look like a ray of sunshine. I look warm. I look huggable and approachable. It's so interesting, the psychology of color. If you're like, you know what, F it, I want to go all the way and go head and first with the color, go for an all pink outfit, go for a color blocked outfit, go for a fully monochromatic look. I feel that monochromatic looks allow people to look really elevated, luxurious, seamless. My last and third tip is to accessorize. I feel that this is not talked about enough. I feel like people don't utilize the power of accessorizing. Daytime outfit with this dress, I'm doing a hat, I'm doing a boot, I'm doing a bag, all in the same color family, so that the dress can really allow itself to speak. Walmart has really great accessories. Look in the children's section, look in the men's section. You will be surprised and blown away by the kinds of accessories that you find. And I'm not just talking about, you know, accessorizing with your shoes. I'm saying hats, I'm saying bracelets, I'm saying handbags, backpacks. You know, if you're going for a more rugged look in the men's section. You'd be surprised, absolutely blown away by the different options that are available. So these are little ways that I feel that you can add it into your lifestyle, whether that's in your interior design or interior decor at home. You know, these little ways that really add up to us in our lifestyle, and especially with the pandemic and stuff, having these little moments in our homes, in our closets, in our bathrooms, in our wardrobe, in our outfits. It sounds silly when we say it out loud, but they do add to us feeling really good about ourselves. And that's kind of what I wanted you guys to take away in this video. Just making sure that you're even coming out of this pandemic, that we're really feeling good about ourselves, that we really walk out of this place, really walk out with our heads held high, just excited for what's to come, because a lot of people think we lost a lot during those years, but I want to see it like that we gained a lot. I gained a new sense of appreciation for color, and that's really what I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. I really hope that this video spoke to someone out there, really just allowed someone to feel more free to express themselves and be creative and just fall more in love with who they are and who they're becoming. So yeah, that wraps today's video. I really hope that these little tips and tricks helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have any questions for me. Again, I am so excited to be back on YouTube and do more videos for you guys. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions of what videos I should do down below, what you want to see from me. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram @InMySeams, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!